Welcome. In front of me I have Cubot X20, and today I will show you how we can turn on and customize always on display. So normally when you open the settings, you will be not able to find here this feature. As you can see, when you go for the display, there's no always on display. So how we can get it? Simply open the Play Store and use external application called Widgets. It's from the Sparking Labs and we have to install that application. Right now let's open. We have to grant permission for 2 requests. Click on the record audio and tap allow and go for the draw over apps. Right now we have to choose Widgets from the screen, so tap on the switcher, go back. And right now let's choose overlay mode also. Right now tap to get started. And when we are here, as you can see, we can for example pick AOD screens from the right bottom corner. And here we get the 2 themes. There's the first one and there's the second. I take this one, so click apply to confirm, and when you go for the settings, you can pick show on the lock screen. I'm going always, close after single tap. We can change brightness, screen timeout. We can also enable notifications, so enable them from the screen. We can also hide music controls after 30 seconds or never. We can show date and the battery always. After that, when we simply go back and lock our device, as you can see, after a few moments we will get always on display on our Cubot X20. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel. So yeah.